So, sabi ko nga kanina, magluluto kami ng chapsay. So, pupunta kami ng supermarket para bibili ng mga gulay-gulay. Bili tayo ng chicken, ha? Oo. Ba't naka-shades ka pa? Akala niya mainit pa. Akala niya mainit pa. So, ako yung cook mamaya. Ako yung magluluto. Oo nga. Kasi, specialty nila yan eh, tilapia. Sa dami ng, fish, tilapia pang, nila, specialty. So, binabaybay natin guys. Ang road ng Almutina. Oh, may mga nakaupo dito sa gilid. Mga nagtatrabaho dito sa site.
Huh?
What do you want? Ha? Sample na naman. No. Ay, hindi talaga to sa samples. Para hindi tayo mapagod umakyat, mag-lift tayo. O, diba, social? Lift ang iyong gagamitin.
It was a very bad example of people
Hala,
getting some.
yung pimple mo, oh.
Oh,
Ang lalaki, ba't galit-galit? Ang lalaki ng pimples mo. And, ayan guys, tumatawid tayo sa bridge. Papunta sa kabila. And, doon tayo pupunta. Ayun. Para mabilis, mag-delete ulit. Buti na lang walang masyadong tao. Pero mamaya pa yan, no? Why? Oh, hindi mo yata pinindot.
There's only 2 buttons.
O, di ba? Nakababa na kami agad. At nandito na agad kami sa kabilang side. Bihira kaming pumunta sa side na to kasi sobrang daming tao. Oo. Pwede na? Eto, kuha tayo ng basket. Doon naman tayo sa vegetables. Mamaya na dyan, baby. Let's go to the vegetable area first. Kasi siksikan pa naman doon. Ayan. Okay, let's go, baby. Kuha ka ng plastic, ha? O, yung mga plastic para lalagyan natin. Okay, so dahil chopsay ang ating lulutuin, kuha tayo ng Chinese cabbage. Ah, ito na lang. Malaki naman ito. Ayan, Chinese cabbage. We need also broccoli. Maganda, oh. Tingnan nyo. Yung mga ano nila dito, fresh na fresh din. Ito, sayote. Kailangan natin to. Wala bang mas tono? Ay, sa. Okay.
Ito, ito.
Corn. Kailangan din natin ng corn. Ayan, baby corn. Ano pa? Celery?
Carrot.
Carrot, wala pa.
Lagi ko pa
Tofu. Ayan, kuha din tayo ng tofu. Balloon. Ano pa? What else? This one. Kailangan din natin to. Snow peas. Wait, baby. Oh, ba tayo na? Ang ginulo-gulo na eh. Okay, snow peas. What else? Carrot, kumukuha ng si John. Baby, get one plastic. We need to get onion. Ang pangit naman ng mga onion. Dito. Here. Maganda. Okay, so nakakuha na tayo ng onion. What else? Oh, I wanna check if they have a banana. Seba banana. Oh yeah, I think that side. Okay, push. Gusto daw niya ng strawberry. So, tingnan natin kung meron sila. Parang wala. See? They don't have strawberry. Wala silang strawberry. How about dragon fruit? But this is white. No? Okay. How about watermelon? You want?
Oh, that one looks good.
No.
No?
I don't like it. How about... Yeah, chicken red.
Ew, what happened to...
How about this one? Oops.
Wait,
Okay,
no,
put it inside the basket.
Yay!
Oh, fresh na fresh, oh. Okay. One more? Let's go get yogurt. Hindi siya naka-sale. Oh, hindi siya naka-sale. Walang naka-sale. Almond. What do you want? London Dairy. Malamig. Malamig to mag-ice cream. Saan na ng ice cream? Wait lang, wait. Kuha lang ako ng yogurt. Ang ganito pero mas maliit. So. Kailan ba? Kailan ang production day? Yung bumibili ako, chine-check yung production day. Pwede na to. And then, isang plain.
Can we eat it when we buy it?
Masarap ba yan?
Yeah. Can I eat it when we already buy it?
Low fat.
Because
This
I
is
already
low
have
fat.
lunch. I already this.
Ang hirap i-push. Ang hirap i-push. Oo nga pala. Ha? More, mom? Only 2. Choose. Get one more. What flavor you want? Raspberry?
Or is that strawberry? I don't know.
I think this is strawberry.
Okay, then get strawberry. Where did I go? Okay, strawberry. That's fine.
Okay, let's go. How much is it? 2? Well, wala silang saging saba dito, no?
Wait,
Dito tayo sa chicken. Okay na ba yung pang chopsay natin?
actually, can I get a
Kuha ko isa?
Mom, I'll be in the ice cream section.
Okay. Bilisan mo. Butter na naman. Marami pa tayong butter doon. Marami pang butter. Umalik sa ice cream. Hintayin natin. Magaganda ba yung tilapia nila?
Tilapia.
Ang lalaki naman. Angit, no? Okay, balik tayo doon. Ang lamig. Kinilinaw ko. Kinilinaw ko. Ang lamig. Nandito kasi kami. Oh. So, London Dairy. It's so cold. Can I get Quanta almond or Magnum? Okay, I'll get Magnum. Okay, for me Magnum.
Chocolate for Kuya and then the one
Okay, just
for
put it-
Okay, just
just keep it.
take all. Take all.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're tasty.
It's so cold. Oh my god. It's cold. Chicken and then tingnan nga natin yung bread nila, B. Yung binibili kong ano dito, mini muffin. Ah? Oo. Chicken wings? Okay. Let's get chicken wings. Lagyan natin siya ng chicken wing. Kuha din ako nito, buto-buto, para bukas pang sabaw. Today's what? 9, right?
Yep.
Can you give me 1 chicken wings and chicken bone? Thank you. Yep. B, let's go. Alam mo na, nasira yung ano ko kanina, blower. Hindi tayo. Online na lang. Pagsaksak ko kanina, biglang pumutok. Lagi pa naman ako nag-blower. Online na lang, sige. Yes, tingin tayo ng tinapay. Yung mini muffin. Matandaan mo yun, yung lagi nating kinukuha dito. Ah, rama.
Hindi, pero may hand.
Hindi siya pure. Hey, sige nga, bitbitin mo. Ha, hey, let's go. Wala sila nung muffin. Saan? Sa likod? Eh? Ayoko yan. Gusto ko yung... Ayan, yan. Bago ba?
Nine.
Ah, okay. Ba't parang mas malalaki na ngayon? Mas maganda yung maliliit dati, no? Pareho? Sige, ito na lang. Ah, bitbitin ko na lang kasi ano, mga nilalagyan natin
Puro
is...
ganun naman.
Kaya nga. Okay, ito na lang. Yaomi. Baka gusto nila ng Yaomi. Maliit lang. Lalaki naman. How about this? Ay, lalaki. Small lang. Ay. Ang layo ng tingin ko. 9. Eto 9. Bitbitin ko na. Diyan na. Mas konti ata tao. Ikaw ba? Ito. May gusto yata siya bilhin dun sa ano kanina. You wanna buy something? Dito naman tayo sa school supplies. Di ba marami ka pang ano doon, color pen?
Hey, what's
No, remember the one in the black bag?
exactly?
The one with 100 pieces.
No, that's only 60. But
How about correction tape?
I already have correction.
You still have?
No, Grace gave it to me.
Okay, what else?
I think these are
Ano pa?
I want a tape that's like long.
How about this?
I want to get
How much?
it, but
Check the price.
I don't think the colors are good. Can you
20.
check?
Yeah, check it.
Can you put that in the cart?
Hmm.
And can you also help me? Oh. It's like a briefcase.
Yes.
Wait, do you think these are good?
Yeah.
Can we try it?
This is color.
Hmm?
These color. Colors. This one.
Color
Yes.
Markers.
How many pieces? 24.
36.
It's 36, 20 dirhams.
I want to check. Can you hold it?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Oh yeah, those are good.
How about the other side? And the other side. Oh, sticker. Some.
You don't like it?
Okay.
I think it's nice.
Okay. Sige na.
See? Oh, so cute.
Okay.
Let's get it.
What else?
Daddy, I got it. This has that.
Gusto niya daw yan.
Yeah. It has.
Let's go. Magbabayad na kami.
When we pay, can I eat my ice cream? I already had
Okay.
lunch.
Oo. Meron din pala dito. Oh, this is so cute. Yan o. Ang cute naman ito. Wait, wait. Separate the bread. Yes, all the vegetables together.
Oh, eat it now?
No, okay. You want to eat while walking? Yeah. Okay. Sa bridge? Baby. Mas malayo dyan, no? I mean, mas matagal kasi maghihintay pa tayo ng signal. Yan. Tapos na kaming namili, guys. Pauwi na kami. Eh, dito kumakain na ng ice cream. Kasi it's cookies and cream. Okay, bye-bye na, guys. See you later. Please subscribe. Bye!